Hello, good morning, everybody. I am Chodappa RC, Assistant Professor of Commerce, Government First Grade College, Kottagere, Tumkur District, from Karnataka State. Dear student, today I select topic from Financial Accounting Second, Sell of Firm to Limited Company. Actually, in last class, we will discuss so many topics related to branch accounts and departmental accounts. And another one topic, very important topic, that is sell of firm to limited company. Sell of firm means partnership firm to limited company. Company means joint stock company or corporate. So why the firm is sold or why the firm is converted into a company? This is one of the basic question is rises in your mind. So for that, before going to meaning, just what is the reason to convert? What is the under what circumstances the partnership firm convert into a limited company? Actually, there are so many reasons are there because a partnership firm is very small and because a partnership firm is not possible to face competition, more and more competition, and partnership firm is not sell more and more and not create demand for its products in the market because of large finance and other etc advertising and etc reasons, and partnership firm is not possible to make ideas or talents for creating the demands for its products because of a less number of members and a less capital, and there is no expand the business. That's why there are so many reasons are there. For this reason, a one or two or more partnership firm with a same business, that is very important, with the same business, they convert their business into a limited company. Means they convert their business into an existing company already. If companies existed, for that convert, or if they sold their business to a new company, is what I'm saying. So, switch on to meaning. What is sell of firm to limited company? Sell of firm to limited company refers to the sell of its business. Very important. Sell of its business by a partnership firm to an existing company or newly formed just a company. I already told that one or two firms or sold their business or convert their business into a existing company or newly formed just a company, that is called sell of firm to limited company. And same meaning, and also given conversion of partnership is also same, sale of partnership also same. So conversion is also nothing but changing the status of the partnership firm into a just a company, for which purpose is new companies formed. Very simple. Why conversion means changing the status of the partnership firm means two or more firms, they want to change their status as a company, for which they form the new company. That is called a so what you called conversion or sold or sale of partnership firm into a limited company. So this is the meaning related to conversion. Then in this sale of firm to limited company, there are two parties are there. One is the vendor firm, another one is the purchasing company. Vendor firm, which firm should be sold, which firm should be what you call converted, they are called a vendor firm. And purchasing company means the company which purchased the vendors, means what you called the company who is acquired the what you call sold partnership firms, They are called a purchasing company. So these are the two parties. Let's turn to next one, objectives for conversion of a firm into limited company. See, in already we discussed about meaning and also reasons. Reasons are converted into objectives. There are so many objectives are there for getting the benefits of limited liability. Because of partnership firm, there is no limited liability. There is an unlimited liability of the partners. But in case of company, there is a limited liability of the members who have shares or guarantee. And here, second one, to increase the capital, that is very important, to large capital. So to gain the large capital, the firms ready to convert their business because of in the company, there are number of members are more. To increase the managerial skill in company, number of members are more. Therefore, the talents, the ideas, the skills are very important and skills are more in company. Then they manage the company, they administrate the company. Very important, another one object to expand the business. Partnership firm is not possible to expand the business, but in case of what you call a company, they expand the business like what you call the products are created, more and more products are created, more and more what you call sales are created. To getting the tax concession, another one object, very important, to convert as a company, the what you call partnerships get so many concessions and getting the advantages of transferability of shares. So these are the very important objectives of the what you called partnership firm into a company. And then switch on to the next one. First, what you called step, calculation of PC means for before going to what you call calculation of PC, there is one very important slide. Accounting procedure for sale of firm into a limited company means when the firm convert into a company, at the time there are so many accounting procedures are going to take into consideration. That accounting procedures are called in steps or stages. The first one is calculation of PC, second one is ways of discharge of PC, and third one is closing the books of vendor firm by passing journal entries or ledger account whatever totally. And fourth one is passing incorporation entries in the books of purchasing company and also preparing balance sheet. These are the 4 steps or stages taken into consideration for accounting procedure for the sale of firm to limited company. First step, calculation of PC. PC means purchase price or purchase consideration payable by the purchasing company to the vendor firm for taking over the assets and liabilities of the vendor firm. Very simple. It is a price or consideration payable by the purchasing company to the vendor firm for why? For purchasing the assets and liabilities of the vendor firm. It is very simple meaning. For calculation of PC, there are 3 methods are there. One is the lump sum method, other one is the net asset method, other one is the net payment method. So lump sum method is not a method actually. The amount, lump sum amount is given in the problem. That's all. But net asset method is nothing but this method. This is very important method. Agreed value of assets which are taken over by the purchasing company are added. From that, agreed value of liabilities which are taken over by the purchasing company are deducted. That is called a net asset method. That is the formula is there. Agreed value of assets taken over minus or less agreed value of liability taken over. This is called a PC, purchase consideration. And net payment method, this is another one very important method. And this method, actual payment made by the purchasing company against each item of liability would be specified. Okay. Then the method may be in the form of shares or debentures or whatever, totally in any form of combination of 3 also. This is called a net payment method. And second step, ways of discharging PC means how to discharge by the purchasing company to the vendor firm. There are different ways are there. One is the completely in cash, means purchasing company paid the purchase price in cash to the vendor firm, or completely in shares, fully in shares, maybe ordinary shares or preference shares, completely in debentures, maybe in the form of debentures, and what you call or partly in cash and partly in shares, partly in cash and partly in debentures, partly in shares and partly in debentures, and combination of cash, shares and debentures. These are the different ways the purchasing company paid the purchase price to the vendor firm. This is related to second step, what you call first step, calculation of PC, and second step, discharge of PC. And switch on to next, actually for third step, what you called that is what you called accounting procedure in the books of vendor firms. That should be discussed in the next video. Thank you for the, this will be taken into consideration and this will be recorded, and next in next class we are discussing in next what you called accounting procedure. Thank you.